just arrived in, and what a beauty this is. It is absolutely gorgeous. Aintree green metallic. When the sun catches it, it is a glorious colour. Absolutely love the colour of it. The condition is just incredible. 2015 65 plate, ROVER EVOQUE HSE dynamic, top of the range. And it's got the black pack, as you can see, which is the black wheels, the black mirrors, the black trim. This one's also got privacy glass. It's got around £1,000 worth of factory fitted options. It is stunning. Just check out the service history. You'll be amazed at the service history on this vehicle as well. And of course, it's had the timing chain done. I think off memory about 2,000 miles ago, there or thereabouts. But if you look at the advert, it'll tell you exactly the mileage when it was all done. Great value for money. And this is how the last owner brought it in. He absolutely cherished the car. Polished almost every day, and he won't mind me saying that, to keep it gleaming in this condition. It's got the electric tailgate, which again was a factory option, just making it easier. And the last owner also bought a few goodies for it. So it's got the box there, which of course can be taken out. It's a lockable box, so you can put all your bits and pieces in there. He's also bought the spare wheel, which normally don't come with a spare wheel, so you've got the mini spare wheel to get you home. And it's got the carpet set in there, because he's put the mats in again just to protect it. The loading area all lovely and clean. Parking sensors. Also got the reverse camera. There's a good sized boot, split folding rear seats. But just look at that colour when the sun just catches it. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Absolutely love that colour. Of course, the black badging, TD4. You cannot believe the age of the vehicle. The condition is absolutely outstanding, is how I would describe it. Of course, there might be the odd tiny stone chips, which can be expected, but overall it is gorgeous. Gloss black wheels. Got the 20-inch wheels. All the tyres in great condition. If you look all down the sides, no dents, no scratches, no scrapes, no dings. Of course, you got the black wheel arch protectors there. As I mentioned, the privacy glass already. So again, the black mirror caps, the black trim there. So the near side front wheel, again, beautiful condition. It's had various brakes and calipers fitted as well, not that long ago. All across the front, lovely and clean. Front parking sensors. Again, you got the black and green contrast there. It's got a headlight upgrade. And again, all across the front. The bonnet. As I mentioned, it is absolutely outstanding, but of course, it's a used car, so there will be the odd tiny mark. But overall, absolutely beautiful car. Good close-up across the front. And this is why we do the videos, to show you a full close-up. So you are literally on your hands and knees with me at the moment to see every single angle, every single aspect of the vehicle, so you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair, knowing how nice this car is. So when you are comparing with others on the market, check out the condition, not just the price. So the driver's wheel, and again the tread, all matching tyres all the way around. Again, all down the sides, absolutely beautiful. And the final wheel and tyre. I'll last take you inside it. All the trims in great condition. Plenty of leg space there. Full black leather upholstery. Again, that is beautiful condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. Centre armrest, cup holders. all the headlining, all undamaged. Electric seats, memory seats. Again, the doors absolutely perfect. Entry points, again, non-damaged. It's got the rubber mats in there, as I mentioned. You've got the carpets in the back. Electric seats, again, the upholstery. Great condition. 71,289 is the mileage. 71,289, so low mileage for its age. Got the Meridian sound system. Again, the passenger seat is also electric seat with memory seats. Keyless start. The sunshine there just hiding the mileage. 71,289, as I just mentioned. Nice big clear screen. So got the home button there, home screen there, DAB radio. So down across that side you've got the navigation. Nice big button there, screen. Bluetooth phone connection. Various stations, all nice and clear, straightforward on there. Touch screen. For the various modes there. Source of, so again the channels, the DAB stations, shows the whole screen there. Great sound system. And the home menu there. Scroll through. 4x4. So again, the different driving modes, which you can do on the screen there. Alternatively, compress those buttons there, and that will change on there wherever you want to be on the different drive modes. Very straightforward. The reverse camera with the guidelines, and the mirrors drop down. We put it to reverse and back up again, so you don't damage your wheels onto the curbs. CD, dual zone climate control, heated seats. Of course, your gear changes, all straightforward on there. Cup holders, that's a locking wheel bolt in there. So cup holders in there, nice and nifty on there. Additional storage, USB, aux input, all in there. Leather multifunction steering wheel, again all the controls nice and clear on there. Cruise control and speed limiter, which is on there. Paddle shift gear change just behind there. Up or down. Volume. Change your stations that way. Phone connection on there, and you've got voice activation as well. Navigation. Show map.
Zoom.
Map.
Navigation. Zoom out 1.
So there we go. So you can get your directions, tell the car where you want to go. If you want to call somebody in your phone book, change stations, just makes it safer and easy and convenient. So all that is very straightforward on there. And you've got the menu on there, which shows on the dashboard on there. So you can change again what you want to see, different settings, different display. All very straightforward. You've got folding mirrors. What more can we say about this absolutely gorgeous car? Amazing value for money with fantastic service history and this gorgeous colour. Apologise if I've said gorgeous too many times, but it really is. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys. We have the book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. We can arrange finance. Talk to us direct about any finance that you require. We can work out your deposit, your payments. If you have a part exchange, you can either just fill the form in online on our website, alternatively, just pick the phone up, good old fashioned. We'll have a conversation and we'll offer you the best that we can for your part exchange. And remember, if you fancy this at 2 o'clock in the morning and you think, I really want it, I don't want to miss it, just hit that reserve button. It's very simple. Hit the reserve button, come and have a look at it, and if you feel it is not as described, we'll give you money back. Simple as that. But because of the video, we know if you want the car, you're going to buy it. Specialist Cars, established since 1997, almost 29 years. We make buying and selling simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again. Just like this gentleman here, I think this is the 4th car he's bought off us and traded this one in. So that shows you what customers think of us. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Any further information, please just give us a call or WhatsApp us off the website. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. If you don't want to miss this real beauty, call us today. This could be your car tomorrow. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.